Well, welcome. Today we're at Virginia State University's Randolph Farm. It's winter time, so I wanted to come inside the greenhouse and show you some things that we're growing. We've got lots of tomatoes growing in here. We've also got peppers, and we're growing some snack peppers here. You might call them lunchbox peppers. They're sweet peppers, just kind of eaten like a snack. They're really a miniature bell pepper. They're very small, pretty easy to grow, really nice crop. So this time of the year, as you're thinking, you're going through the seed catalogs and you're thinking about what I want to grow, if you want to grow peppers, we might have some varieties here that you might want to try. So let's go and look at a plant, and I'll tell you a little bit about how to grow these. Well, this is a red variety. It's called Yum Yum Red. It's relatively new, but you should be able to find it out online, seed catalogs or your paper catalogs. There's lots of other snack varieties out there that you might want to try. For most of you, I would recommend putting transplants in the ground. Some of these are a little hard to find at your local garden center, but you can buy your seeds and maybe make transplants like we've done here with these lettuce seedlings, and then put them in the ground. Most of the time you're going to want to plant these when it warms up. Peppers like warm temperatures, so probably about mid-May or late May would be good for many gardeners. These are about 100-day variety it takes to mature. And then you get these nice red peppers as they go from green to red. And they're a good snack pepper. Now you can also grow these in containers, like we're growing them here if you don't have much land, a large pot with soilless media, and they do real well. You can see that they don't take up a whole lot of space. Now we've staked these a little bit, or we've trellised these a little bit. You might find in the garden, maybe a stake or a small cage might help these from flopping over. One other thing to think about on pepper plants are pest and disease. And they're pretty good. They don't have a lot of pest problems, but you might find some aphids occasionally. And aphids can be fairly easily controlled with some sprays. There's some chemical and non-chemical sprays, insecticidal soap, neem products. They're somewhat safe that you might try. So remember to think about those as you're going throughout your pepper production season. When you harvest these, you don't want to pull the fruit off like you would maybe with tomatoes, because it might damage the pepper. So what I'd like to do is maybe take a sharp knife or some scissors, and you just hold the pepper and just cut it right above, right close to the stem, and there you're ready to go. Didn't damage the plant at all. So overall, these snack peppers are really great, nice to grow, sweet, and relatively easy to grow. So for more information about pepper production or growing them in the garden, please contact your local county extension office and talk to a master gardener. From the Ground Up, I'm Chris Mullins, and we'll see you next time.
From the Ground Up is presented with the generous advice and assistance of Virginia Cooperative Extension. Visit their website at ext.vt.edu.